Ever wonder why Jamaican jerk cooking is called jerk? Well, it all started when a chicken walked into a bar. No, just kidding. The term jerk actually comes from the Spanish word charqui, which means dried meat. And that, my friends, is your food fact for the day. Now let's take a step back in time to the indigenous tribes of Jamaica. These early inhabitants were the first to introduce the art of jerk cooking, a method that involved a hot spice mixture and a smoky flavor achieved through distinct cooking methods. Imagine open fires, pits dug in the ground, and delicious aromas wafting through the air. Then came the Jamaican Maroons, formerly enslaved Africans, who took this cooking style and truly made it their own. They developed what we now know as the Jamaican Jerk spice, a fiery blend of allspice and Scotch Bonnet peppers. These two ingredients are the heart and soul of jerk cooking, giving it that distinctive kick and flavor. But jerk cooking isn't just about the spice, it's also about the meat. Traditionally, chicken and pork are the stars of the show, marinated in the jerk spice, then slow cooked until they're tender, smoky, and bursting with flavor. The result is a dish that's as rich in taste as it is in history. You see, jerk cooking isn't just a method, it's a testament to resilience and creativity. It's the story of how indigenous tribes and the Maroons used the ingredients they had to create something truly unique. It's a celebration of Jamaican culture, from its humble beginnings to the global phenomenon it is today. So next time you bite into that succulent jerk chicken, remember, you're not just enjoying a meal, you're savoring a piece of history. Now, jerk cooking might have started on the beautiful island of Jamaica, but it certainly didn't stay there. Like a catchy reggae tune, it spread all over the world. Just as the infectious rhythm of a Bob Marley song has the power to transport you to the sunny beaches of Jamaica, so too does the tantalizing aroma of jerk seasoning. From the Caribbean shores to bustling metropolitan cities, the unique flavor profile of jerk cuisine has found its way into hearts and kitchens globally. The spice-laden wind of jerk cooking first blew across the Caribbean, finding a warm welcome among West Indian communities. There, it not only found a home, but also evolved, intertwining with local culinary traditions to create a fusion of flavors. From Trinidad's curry-infused jerk to Barbados's rum-spiked version, the Caribbean was the first to embrace and transform this Jamaican gem. The jerk journey didn't stop at the Caribbean shores, though. Like many cultural phenomena, it traveled along with the diaspora, bringing a taste of the tropics to colder climes. In cities like New York, London, and Toronto, with their significant Caribbean populations, jerk cooking has become a beloved part of the local food scene. Whether it's a jerk chicken pizza in Brooklyn, a jerk tofu wrap in Brixton, or a jerk salmon salad in Scarborough, jerk has proven its versatility and appeal. But it's not just in areas with a significant Caribbean presence that jerk has made its mark. From high-end restaurants in Paris serving jerk foie gras, to street food stalls in Tokyo offering jerk yakitori, the reach of jerk is truly global. Its unique blend of heat, sweet, and smoky has proven irresistible, and chefs worldwide are finding innovative ways to incorporate it into their dishes. And it's not just about the food. Jerk cooking represents a culture, a history, and a way of life. It's a culinary language that speaks of Jamaica's resilience, creativity, and love for life. So when you taste that jerk chicken or that jerk tofu, you're not just experiencing a meal, you're partaking in a global culinary journey that began on a small Caribbean island. So whether you're in New York or London, chances are you can find a little piece of Jamaica right around the corner. But jerk cooking isn't just about chicken or pork anymore. These days, you can jerk just about anything. In the ever-evolving world of culinary arts, jerk cooking, a traditional Jamaican style, has seen a significant transformation. Modern jerk recipes are far more eclectic and inclusive, embracing a wide range of ingredients from different food groups. It's not uncommon to find jerk beef, jerk fish, or even jerk lobster on menus today. But it's not just limited to meats and seafood. The vegetarian and vegan communities aren't left out either. Tofu, a popular plant-based protein, has found its place in the jerk world. Imagine slabs of tofu, marinated in the same fiery aromatic jerk spice blend and grilled to perfection. The result, a smoky, spicy, and utterly delicious treat that gives traditional jerk chicken a run for its money. And it doesn't stop at tofu. From eggplants to zucchinis, from bell peppers to portobello mushrooms, vegetables have been invited to the jerk party too. The spicy, smoky flavors of jerk spice breathe new life into these plant-based staples, transforming them into delectable dishes that are both flavorful and nutritious. But despite all these changes and variations, one thing remains constant: the essence of jerk cooking, the spice rub. This unique concoction of allspice, Scotch bonnet peppers, and an assortment of other spices and ingredients is the heart and soul of jerk cuisine. It's this spice blend that imparts the signature smoky, spicy, and robust flavor that jerk dishes are renowned for. So whether you're a meat lover, a seafood fanatic, a vegetarian, or a vegan, there's a jerk dish out there for you. From traditional jerk chicken to modern jerk tofu, this Jamaican culinary tradition has evolved to cater to a variety of tastes and preferences, while still staying true to its roots. So who's up for some jerk tofu? Anyone? No? Just me then. If you've ever been to Jamaica or the Caribbean, you've probably seen a jerk stand. And if you haven't, well, you're missing out. Picture this: a roadside shack, smoke billowing, the air filled with the mouth-watering aroma of jerk-spiced meats sizzling on the grill. Welcome to the world of jerk stands, an integral part of Jamaican and Caribbean culture. They are more than just food stalls, they are social hubs where people gather to share stories, laughter, and of course, amazing food. These stands, often rustic and unpretentious, are where the magic of jerk cooking truly comes alive. The chefs, or jerk masters, as they're aptly called, have perfected the art of jerk cooking, handed down through generations. Their mastery lies in the perfect blend of spices, the slow grilling, and the love they infuse into every piece of meat. But jerk stands aren't just about the meat. They offer a complete meal experience. Alongside the jerk spiced chicken or pork, you'll find traditional side dishes that complement the smoky, spicy flavors. You might see festival, a sweet fried dough, or maybe some bami, a flatbread made from cassava. And let's not forget the rice and peas, a staple in Jamaican cuisine. It's a symphony of flavors that plays beautifully on your palate. The jerk stand culture is a testament to the Jamaican spirit, vibrant, warm, and incredibly welcoming. Every stand has its own personality, reflecting the unique character of its jerk master. Some are lively, filled with music and laughter. Others are more laid back, letting the food do the talking. But regardless of the vibe, one thing is consistent: the food is always spectacular. So next time you see a jerk stand, don't just walk by. Stop, grab a plate, and enjoy a true Jamaican experience. Now, you might be wondering, how can I bring a bit of this jerk magic into my own kitchen? Well, here's some good news. You're about to learn the art of jerk cooking, right in the comfort of your own home. First things first, the heart of jerk cooking lies in its spice blend. This fiery mixture is called Jamaican jerk spice, and it's a symphony of flavors that gives jerk its unique taste. The star players in this mix are allspice and Scotch bonnet peppers, but other spices and ingredients such as thyme, cinnamon, garlic, and nutmeg can also make an appearance. Now don't be shy with these spices. Jerk is all about bold, robust flavors. But remember, the secret to a great jerk isn't just in the spice rub, it's also in the cooking method. Traditional jerk cooking involves slow cooking the meat over a fire of pimento wood, which imparts a smoky flavor that's hard to beat. Now, we understand that not everyone has access to a wood-fire grill at home, but don't worry, you can still achieve delicious results with a regular oven or grill. Just remember to cook your meat slowly and at a low heat to keep it tender and juicy. And let's not forget about the marinating process. When it comes to jerk, patience is a virtue. Allow your spice-rubbed meat to marinate for at least a few hours, or ideally overnight. This will allow the flavors to fully penetrate the meat, resulting in a deeper, more complex flavor profile. Finally, don't feel constrained by traditional choices of meat. While chicken and pork are the classics, modern jerk recipes have branched out to include a wide range of meats, seafood, tofu, and even vegetables. So feel free to get creative and make your jerk dish truly your own. So there you have it. With a bit of spice and a lot of love, you can create your own jerk masterpiece. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.